I want to talk about the difference between a single click and a double click for your user interactions. About 20 years ago, when I was first developing a user interaction script, one of the things that I had tried to do was put a timer after the click event so that it didn't actually trigger the click event until I had known for certain that a double click event did not occur. I want to just call out absolutely to not use that behavior. Don't consider that. What you should be considering is that the UX of your clicks, of a single click versus a double click, should be that a single click will not harm what is supposed to happen with a double click. So let's talk about a real-time strategy game. You single click on a unit and that would select the unit. If you double click on a unit, that would select that unit and all the surrounding ones. So by double clicking, that first click operation that happens has no harm on that actual unit and the behavior of what you're doing with the double click. That's the key thing to consider for that.